No, this was based on Psalm chapter 20, verse 6. May we shout for joy at your victory. Raise the banners in the name of God. And for the month of April, our theme is the thrill of victory. The word thrill means a sudden feeling of great excitement. Have you already experienced great excitement in your lives? Somehow, yes, in our lives, we do experience great excitement. And when we speak of victory, it means great admiration, honor, and praise that were earned by achieving something. But the question is, how are we going to experience the thrill of victory as we are now in the Lenten season? Now, in the Lenten season, the thrill of victory is in Christ's resurrection. Because Christ's resurrection is meaningful and multifaceted, carrying immense significance for us Christians around the world. This leads to our first Bible verse, which is 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 13 to 14. If there is no resurrection of the dead, then not even Christ has been raised. And if Christ has not been raised, our preaching is useless, and so is your faith. Yan po ay sinabi ni St. Paul. Ang sabi niya, kung totoo iyan, lilitaw na hindi muling binuhay si Kristo. At kung si Kristo ay hindi muling binuhay, walang kabuluhan ang aming pangangaral at walang katuturan ang inyong pananampalataya. Because for St. Paul, resurrection of Jesus constitute the very basis upon which we speak about resurrection. It makes abundantly clear that inextricable connection between the resurrection of Christ and the resurrection of believers. And for us believers, Christ's resurrection represents the ultimate victory over